Well, how's it going, piranhas? I'm just out in the field today and I'm going to do some metal detecting. And like I say, this is a family-friendly channel in the daytime. At nighttime, my live streams are rated R for adults. I will do some daytime ones for the youngins, but at nighttime is when I'm going to choose to do mine and maybe have a good time. But anyway, right now I'm out in the park and this is the park I'm going to play in today. I haven't done any. This is my first hole here, so I'll set you up so you guys can see where I am. And let's see, back it up a bit here. There. Okay, I got a beep right there. Looks a little crooked there. All right, so I'll get out the old spade. This is what I use right here. This is called a Fiskars blade. It's F-I-S-K-A-R-S, Fiskars blade. It looks like a Rambo knife, but I'll tell you what, it works like a darn. So this is what I mainly use. But I did bring out my other shovel to show people because Lewis from Heavy Metal Magnets was looking to show people what I use on the field for a shovel. Well, all right, I think I found something, or we'll say the GMAC did, right about there. So I'm gonna grab a probing tool. I always bring a screwdriver with me for a probing tool. That way you can keep your hands out of the hole and see what you're doing. So that'll really send that off into a loop. I think it's just a pull tab, guys, but we're gonna have a see here. So I've knocked it down into the hole. It might be a coin. Was it still in the ground? All right. Stay up there, Mr. Lump. That's another good thing for it. If your lump won't stay up, just drive the screwdriver through it. All right. Another tool. There we go. Pull tab. Told ya. All right. See, guys, I'm digging everything. That way you get good at it and you always come home with something. For the guys that do it just for the coins, they're good at it. And they'll drive you nuts if you want to try and copy them, so don't try. Just dig everything and you'll figure out the tones, no problem. Of the American penny. All right, and I have no clue what date it is, and I can't freaking see it. I think it says 97, but I'll get back to you on the next dig. You guys want to see the GMAC in business here? There he is. All right. So we're just gonna take up this hole. Look at that right there. All right, it's a dirty penny. Well, I'll be damned. It's so corroded, guys, I can't get to the date. Hum-diddy-dum. Well, I'll guarantee you it's nothing older than a 70 and it's not any newer than a 90, so we'll go with that. Get back down. I found a gold pen. It's not real gold, I don't think. At least I can't see any markings on it, but it's just gold colored or gold plated or something. You know what? Pretty cool find. All right, I'll get back to you in the next. Well, Lucas, I didn't have to go fishing for this one. It was in the damn dirt. All right, got a fishing weight. It's definitely steel because it's, well, no, maybe it's lead. No, it's lead. That's pretty cool. It's heavy. Alright, I'll get back to you on the next one. Alright, there's a 1968 quarter. Can you guys see that? Dun dun dun. It's just in, you know, a fist size hole. Cool. Alright, I'll get back to you on the next dig. What time is it? It's time to find a clock. Actually, it's looks like a lap clock, a stopwatch. It's an oldie. I can't see any markings on it. Doesn't look to be gold. It's kind of like a silver or something. But nevertheless, it's a stopwatch. Cool, or it could be an actual clock. I'm not sure. I'll have to do a proper cleaning when I get home. But pretty much think it's a stopwatch. Anyway, if not, I found an old pocket watch. Really cool. It was down in that hole. I'll get back to you on the next one. Hey guys, we're getting a storm. It looks like it's gonna blow over. I just don't want to get hit by any lightning, but got a 1976 quarter and a pull tab, and the pull tab was over top of the quarter, about yay high. Anyway, yeah, what a find. Always pays to check your hole twice. Good job. Get you on the next one. Well, there we go. We got a there we go. Damn camera was acting up. I got a key. Who knows what it's for? Almost looks like a little bike key. But anyway, I'll get you back in the next one. 1988 nickel. Get back to you on the next one. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's see what's wrong with my damn phone again. Anyway, sorry guys, but look, that's the same hole that nickel was in, and there is more. There's a 98. Look at this. There is a nickel I can't read just about. That's an 85. That's a 79. That's a 76. And a dime. Cool. What's this? Oh, don't tell me I gotta read that. It looks like a a 1983 or something. Alright, get back down to the next one. Is there any more in there? Oh, there is. Look. Still beeping. Alright. Let's get that rod in there and see what else we're going to dig out. I guess not, guys. That's it. Better check the lump too. Nope, that's it. I'll get back to you on the next one. There's a 1970 for you guys. Get back to you in the next one. See what I got, Eva.
He found like a motorcycle key. He found a motorcycle key. And it's like a mailbox key.
It looks like a mailbox symbol on there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what's next?
Then I found a pocket watch.
Show the audience. Let them see it. Wow, hey?
Yep.
Oh. don't drop it. Okay, don't do that. Okay, now let's see what else you got in there.
Got how many? Ooh, this is heavy.
That's a sinker weight. A little
Sinker
lead
weight?
weight. Yep, that's
Ooh.
lead, that's for sure. And a whole bunch of change, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then there's that motorcycle key. I like the motorcycle key.
Yeah, that's a couple hours of playing around, and there we go. All right, enough, kid. Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.